हेलो फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हैं आप सब। मैं हूं आशा कुल्हार और आज हम बात करेंगे पूर्व फाल्गुनी नक्षत्र की। पूर्व फाल्गुनी नक्षत्र जो है वो है 11वां नक्षत्र आउट ऑफ द 27 और इसकी जो डिग्रीज हैं वो हैं 1320 to 2640 इन द ज़ोडिएक साइन ऑफ लियो। और इस नक्षत्र के जो रूलिंग प्लैनेट हैं वो हैं वीनस और इसके जो डेटी हैं वो हैं गॉड ऑफ प्रॉस्पेरिटी। दैट मीन्स these natives are quite blessed in life because the deity of this nakshatra is god of prosperity. So having this nakshatra in your chart blesses you with abundance, prosperity, wealth in life. In the ruling planet, that is Venus, it gives you this creative talent and the love for luxury, the love for comfort. And the symbol of this nakshatra is hammock. वो जो झूला जो हम कई बार हॉलीडेज में देखते हैं, पीपल आर जस्ट काइंड ऑफ रिलैक्सिंग एंड दिस सिंबल शोज signifies somewhere the mindset of these natives that they love to have that relaxed, cool, calm attitude towards life. So they believe in enjoying life because it represents that relaxed state of when people are in the mode of rejuvenating or they are in the mood of having fun. So this is how these natives actually see life, because they are also happy-go-lucky individuals with having this nakshatra in their horoscope. A lot of people from entertainment industry are seen to have this prominent placement of this nakshatra because Venus gives this great creative talent, and the god of prosperity is kind of blessing them for wealth, abundance and prosperity. And it also gives a good name and fame because the zodiac sign is Leo. But this nakshatra, like any other nakshatra, does activate at a particular age, and the activation age for Purva Phalguni, one of them is 29th year. This nakshatra activates itself. So when I say activate, it means it activates the planet that is placed in this nakshatra and the house signification that it is falling in your horoscope. So there will be an important event in that year related to this nakshatra. And that's all for Purva Phalguni from my end. I'll see you next time. Until then, see you and have a good day.